I think that if you're the kind of person who wants things fast, you'd be better off buying produce than you would growing a garden. But sometimes you find yourself with more garden than finished compost, and you need some finished compost in a hurry. So I'm going to make a contraption to see how fast I can make compost. It's now been about 60 days, and this is what I have. I would say that this did not work. This is not finished compost. And why didn't it work? Well, I wasn't able to come out here every single day and turn it and spray it and keep it moist as I should have, because I just simply didn't have time for that. I've got a house and a wife and a very full life with plenty of things to do and all that stuff, so I wasn't able to do that. In addition to that, I lost a lot of material to Hurricane Delta when it came through here, and this just did not go as quickly as I hoped it would. So what I'm going to do is next summer, I usually have a lot of time over the summer, I'm going to keep this apparatus and try it again. And I should be able to come out every single day during the summer to turn it and spray it and keep it moist. And I'll try again to see how fast I can make compost. So that's the result of this attempt at making compost quickly. I wasn't able to do it, however, I will try again in the near future. I hope that was helpful. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. Bye.